Again, we are back with the Vinchef Nonstick Deep Frying Pan, an essential tool for home cooks and professionals alike. This versatile pan combines advanced nonstick technology with user-friendly features to elevate your cooking experience. Introducing German 3C Plus ceramic coating ensures exceptional nonstick performance for healthier cooking with less oil and effortless cleanup. Thermospot heat indicator changes color when the pan reaches the perfect temperature, helping you cook with precision. All stovetop compatibility. Made with a stainless steel base, this pan works on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Ergonomic design. The Cool Touch handle offers a secure and comfortable grip during use. Here are some pros. Effortless cleaning. Non-stick surface simplifies post-cooking cleanup. Even heat distribution. Aluminum construction ensures consistent cooking results without hot spots. Versatile use, ideal for frying, sautéing, and even simmering dishes. Also with some cons. Not dishwasher safe. Hand washing is recommended to preserve the non-stick coating. Limited oven use, not designed for high temperature oven cooking. Moving towards customer feedback. The Vinchef Nonstick Deep Frying Pan combines durability, innovation, and convenience to simplify your cooking process. Its superior non-stick coating, heat indicator, and all stovetop compatibility make it a versatile addition to your kitchen. After the analysis of pros and cons, this is the final rating we would like to give from our side. How much would you like to rate? Please let me know in comment. 9 out of 10. Upgrade your cookware collection with the Vinchef Nonstick Deep Frying Pan, available now.